Okay, so I've done a video before about Themeforest and how I don't really care for uh, the way they do business. And here's a prime example. So this lady has a pretty nice website. I'll go ahead and show you here when I'm done reading it. It says, I need some glitches fixed on my WordPress website. Must be WordPress savvy. I have a WordPress website. I bought a new theme and customized it using the theme options. The theme I purchased was t2themes workout, themeforest.net, workout responsive WordPress gym theme. I have no way changed any coding. I have only used the theme options and templates to create my website blog. These are the issues that I'm having with my website. My webpage is getfitgofigure.com. Current issues with the theme after I have deactivated all plugins to ensure they weren't incompatible, and calling Bluehost and making sure all things were kosher there. Issues not resolved are blog feed shortcode will not work on homepage, but it works on the footer widget. Blog layout cannot find the option to switch the blog layout to masonry or WOD. There are no directions for this per their manual. I can only find the option for the left or right sidebar or no sidebar. But even though I check the no sidebar option, the right sidebar layout won't change. Pics into the columns show code but not pics. I want to put pictures from my media library on WordPress into columns. When I insert the picture URL into the column shortcode, the pictures don't show on the live site, only the URLs showing in the columns on the page. Programs not linking. I have created 3 programs on the program page template: online custom coaching, downloadable fitness guides, contest prep. I insert the program via shortcode on the home page. They show nicely in 3 columns, but they do not link to the corresponding pages. I try to click on them and nothing happens. Mobile site not working. The mobile site only shows all shortcodes. I have to scroll to the bottom of the page and hit view full site to see anything decent. See attachment of a screenshot from my phone. Please let me know your rates if you are able to help me with these issues. As the author, here, I'm going to read this again. Please let me know your rates if you are able to help me, because the author does not support the theme nor answer questions or have a good forum to pull from. So this lady owns a gym. I think probably does some pretty decent business. At least I get that from her website. So what I can see of her website looks really good. Um, but she bought a theme from Themeforest and it don't work. And the author, the person who created the theme, won't help her. And that's what I've gotten from Themeforest too. They use a "we'll help you for $50," and I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it seems like to me that they perhaps do this on purpose. Create shoddy websites so that you can say, okay, I need to spend the $50 and have them do it for me. But let's take a look at her website. I looked at it yesterday. My cat's going crazy. Okay, so here is her site. And this looks already a little bit different than what I've seen. But how pathetic is it for a company to sell this lady a product? A lady who does business, and she has to put, I'm experiencing some problems with my website, so please, um, please try and make do with what I have, pretty much is what she's saying. Just, I don't know. I think it's really unfortunate. Now, according to her page, and see, and this isn't anything that she did, this is the themes problem. Look at this. They shouldn't overlay like this, where they're on top of each other. That's just sloppy coding. Okay, so she said in hers, in her post, that these weren't working. And I think they were working yesterday. So she must. And then, did you see that? For a second, they were on top. The online custom coaching program was on top of this stuff. Like I said, I think that looks really sloppy, and I'm not saying that towards her. I'm saying the person who designed this. And see, that's the problem that authors, designers, uh, engineers, whatever you want to call them, don't seem to understand is you're saying, I'll sell you this theme that I've not been able to test drive as a designer. I have to pay, $100 for a theme, maybe more. Themeforest, most of them are about $50, but okay, still $50 is $50. You paid $50 for a theme, you expect it to work, and then it doesn't work. It's just, I don't know. Seeing this blog thing she was saying she has a problem with too. Look at how long it takes to load. And then here again, it's on top of her menu. I'm sure it's not designed to do that. And actually, when I put her site on my iPad, this page wouldn't even load. When it does finally load, it looks pretty decent. But I don't want anyone to think that I'm being Mr. Stick in the Mud. The point I'm trying to make is if you're going to create products and say there's no return on them, we're not even going to help you, then I'm going to expose you for what you are. So I'm going to put this on YouTube and I'm going to tell people, don't buy this theme. I wouldn't want anyone else to have the same problem that she did. Not getting any help from anybody, stuck with a theme that she can't use. Sucks. Don't buy Themeforest themes. Period. Okay, then you head over here to Themeforest. And right here it says 2 to 12 does not support this item. But it says that it was quality checked by Themeforest. And it says it has future updates right here, but if you go into the comments, by the way, there's 252 comments and none of them are really that good. Hi there, any news on the support ticket from 6 days ago? I waited a month for a reply. I can't reply to your emails. I want to ask, are there any updates to this theme or development closed? Can we expect updates? Future updates, check. For the time being, updates are closed. So there's all these people who are saying, this theme sucks. 13 pages of. Same thing like this girl was saying. Program's not leaking. So there's all these problems. And they get on here and they're like, sorry, we're not going to do anything about it. But hey, thanks for spending the $55. It's $55 on their site, $59 on Themeforest. Pathetic.